for 1,000 years, and I have returned. The ones waking me from the slumber of extinction are the very same beings who once made us vanish, humanity. I am the mammoth. My final breath was lost to the freezing winds of a lonely island for millennia ago. Back then, I believed our story had ended. Climate change and human hunters were the architects of our downfall. I accepted it as destiny, a legend silenced by a formidable rival. But I was wrong. Right now, I feel a familiar warmth. It isn't the pale sunlight of the Arctic, it's the steady heat of a laboratory. My genes are stirring. This ritual of resurrection is being performed by the descendants of those who watched us die. This isn't about curiosity. I am not returning to be a trophy in a cage. I am returning to be your brother in arms. My new battlefield is the one I once ruled, the Arctic tundra. Beneath those frozen plains lies a ticking time bomb, over 1 trillion tons of sequestered carbon. It is the planet's great freezer, locking away the secrets of ages. But the door is being left open. If the permafrost continues to melt, it will release twice the amount of carbon currently in our atmosphere. Even a fraction of that leak would mean a disaster beyond repair. In our time, we were the guardians of the frost. We toppled trees and packed down the deep snow, exposing the earth to the killing cold to keep the ground frozen solid. Every step we took was like tightening the planet's safety belt. When we vanished, that belt was loosened. Forests invaded our lands, absorbing heat and accelerating the thaw. It is a haunting irony. Our extinction lit the fuse of a global catastrophe, and now, our return is meant to extinguish it. Humanity is now using the edge of science to pave my way home. They have mapped my soul, my DNA, finding a 98% match with the Asian elephant. The missing 2% is the code for the North. The TRPV3 gene, the blueprint for the thick, woolly coat that defies the abyss of winter. Scientists have already seen the first flicker of success. The visionaries at Colossal believe that by 2028, the first calves carrying my blood will be born. Carried by Asian elephant mothers, they will let out their first cry in a world both familiar and strange. It won't just be the birth of a creature, it will be the renewal of an ancient pact. I am coming back, not as a specimen, but as a sentinel. This time, we are no longer hunter and prey. We are standing on the same front line, facing a common shadow, the future of our planet. I am the mammoth. My destiny was ended by your ancestors. Now it will be rewritten alongside you. Are you ready to witness our return? If you believe in a future where nature and science heal together, subscribe and join us on this journey. The story is just beginning.